From its balmy seashores to its bustling business districts, Puerto Rico appears to have many similarities to its neighboring Latin American countries. But this Caribbean Commonwealth of the United States is unique in many ways, with an economy that relies on capital-intensive manufacturing industries in addition to foreign tourism. A well-educated, highly trained working population has been the driving force behind Puerto Rico's economic growth for the past 4 decades. Newly constructed buildings in the capital city of San Juan are evidence that Puerto Rico has been preparing itself for the global economy of the 21st century. And in a country where 42% of the gross domestic product is generated by manufacturing jobs, pharmaceutical and medical products have become the backbone of Puerto Rico's industrial sector. Abbott Laboratories has had a presence in Puerto Rico for nearly 40 years. Abbott's commercial affiliate on the island ranks among the top 5 companies in Puerto Rico. The Barceloneta plant has played an important role in the manufacture of some of Abbott's most profitable product lines. Sales of these drugs and other products manufactured for Abbott International and Abbott Nutritionals International account for approximately $8 billion in sales. One of the main benefits of Abbott's operations in Puerto Rico is the versatility of the manufacturing areas. As product lines have been introduced or transferred to different locations, the Barceloneta plant has been able to accommodate Abbott's production needs. Abbott Laboratories operations in Puerto Rico are primarily located in Barceloneta, on the northern side of the island, with an additional facility in the town of Jayuya. The Jayuya operations are exclusively focused on the production of Synthroid, a very successful drug used for the treatment of thyroid dysfunction, while the Barceloneta plant manufactures a number of Abbott's most profitable pharmaceuticals, including Biaxin and Depakote. Barceloneta also plays an important role in the manufacture of vascular devices such as guide wires. Abbott's Puerto Rico operations fall into 4 main organizations, the largest being Abbott Pharmaceuticals Limited, or APL. Abbott operations in Puerto Rico include chemical, pharmaceutical, and diagnostics manufacturing in Barceloneta, as well as Synthroid manufacturing in Jayuya, located in the central highlands of Puerto Rico. As the largest facility for Abbott in Puerto Rico, Barceloneta is the location for APL's manufacturing, MS&T, operations engineering organization, EHS, finance, supply chain, human resources, and quality assurance. ABL, or Abbott Biotechnology Limited, is also located at the Barceloneta site. ABL is dedicated to the manufacture of Humira, which is indicated for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and Crohn's disease. Abbott Diagnostics International Limited, known as ADI, has maintained its operations at the Barceloneta site, where it continues to manufacture immunoassays for Abbott diagnostic instruments. All hiring at Abbott's Puerto Rico locations is handled through Global HR Latin America, with Abbott Laboratories providing hundreds of jobs while generating millions of dollars for the local economy on an annual basis. And as Abbott expands upon its strategic product lines, the Puerto Rico facilities are providing manufacturing support in a number of critical areas. APL is the backbone of Abbott's Puerto Rico facilities, which is responsible for the manufacture of pharmaceutical products. The plant has been upgraded for the production of a number of pharmaceutical products that require special cleanroom environments. Meltrex manufacturing involves putting the blended pharmaceutical product through an extruder before it is divided into tablet form. Barceloneta's APL facilities use this Meltrex technology to manufacture the HIV drug Kaletra. And APL's pharmaceutical finishing plant is the manufacturing site for Advocor, Simcor, and Niaspan, controlled-release tablets used to lower LDL cholesterol levels and raise HDL cholesterol levels. For many years, these APL chemical facilities were dedicated to the production of clarithromycin, the antibiotic that Abbott markets as Biaxin. Clarithromycin is a semi-synthetic product manufactured from erythromycin, a bulk powder that is an organic compound. Bulk erythromycin powder undergoes several different chemical processes for the production of oxime succinate and stearate from the base compound. The Ari-oxime powder produced in Barcelonetta's North Chemical Plant is used for the manufacture of clarithromycin in the South Chemical Plant. APL's South Plant is the location for choline phenofibrate manufacturing at Barceloneta, while the APL North Chemical Plant is the location for the sodium hydrogen divalproate manufacturing, which is the active ingredient for Depakote. The chemical process of turning a bulk product into an active ingredient continues here in the finishing area, where the clarithromycin end product is sifted or milled for bulk packaging, where it will become the active ingredient in Biaxin tablets. Bulk powders are used for the manufacture of solid dosage forms of pharmaceutical products, tablets, capsules, and coated particles. The pharmaceutical plant at Barceloneta manufactures many of Abbott's most profitable pharmaceuticals, including Depakote, a versatile drug with indications for migraines, seizures, and bipolar disorder. The manufacturing process for Depakote begins in the drug weigh area, where the bulk drug is weighed and prepared for the granulation runs. After the granulation is complete, the powder is ready for sifting and final blending, and then it is compressed into tablets for different dosage amounts. The compressed tablets are coated for several reasons: product taste, identification, and to control the release of the drug into the bloodstream. The coated tablets then proceed to the tablet printing area. This Ackley machine can print up to 10,000 tablets per minute. After printing, the tablets are transferred to product packaging, which is the final step of the pharmaceutical manufacturing process. Having the capacity to manufacture pharmaceuticals from bulk drug to product packaging is one of APL's greatest assets, which is why the Synthroid operations in nearby Jayuya are an important addition to Abbott's Puerto Rico facilities. Synthroid is the #1 prescribed thyroid therapy and the second most prescribed drug in the United States. Synthroid tablets have been manufactured at Jayuya since 1978, and it's the only plant in the world that manufactures Synthroid tablets. This 108,000 square foot facility is equipped for potent drug manufacturing, with a total plant capacity for 3.2 billion tablets per year. The tablet manufacturing area is comprised of 2 mixing rooms and 4 compression rooms. Synthroid is available in tablet form in 12 different strengths, ranging from 25 to 300 micrograms. The tablet strength is indicated by a particular color. The Jayuya plant's packaging unit produces 100 and 1,000 count bottles, as well as 7 and 10 count tablet blister packs. The facility has 2 bottle lines and 3 blister pack lines. After packaging, the product is transferred to the Abbott Park Distribution Center, as well as Abbott locations in Canada and Brazil. Abbott made another important acquisition to its Puerto Rico operations in 2006, the production of cardiac therapy medical devices for the vascular division. Cardiac Therapy Puerto Rico, also known as CTPR, occupies a total area of more than 12,000 square feet. The plant manufactures several types of guide wires that physicians use to study various functions of the heart, unblock a vein obstruction during surgery, or to perform other minor vascular interventions. These guide wires are manufactured by combining unique design and fabrication methods with state-of-the-art materials technology. CTPR manufactures 4 product families that are divided into 81 models. Their top product, known as the Balance Middleweight, or BMW, has the highest demand, and 86% of production is dedicated to this device. Each product is a combination of gold, platinum, stainless steel, nitinol, silver, tin, and nickel. At least 165 especially skilled craftspeople are dedicated to the precision manufacturing of vascular devices. Abbott Vascular currently produces approximately 4,200 units daily. After production and final packing has been completed, all guide wires coming out of the Barceloneta plant will go to Abbott's plant in Temecula, California, for terminal sterilization and distribution. Abbott's Puerto Rico facilities are well prepared for the future of the pharmaceutical industry, and the future lies in biotechnology. Abbott Biotechnology Limited is a 104-acre site that is approximately 330,000 square feet in size. It is currently dedicated to the manufacture of Humira, but has the capability to accommodate other biologic products. The Humira drug is manufactured and tested for quality assurance here at ABL before being shipped to Germany for fill finishing. The manufacturing process begins with cell growth, or cell duplication. Nutrients are added to a small vial of cells, causing the cells to multiply. The cells are transferred into increasingly larger containers until the batch is big enough to undergo full-scale production in these 12,000-liter bioreactors. For each 12,000-liter bioreactor, the batch is then purified into 2-liter bottles of pure active ingredient for Humira. This active pharmaceutical ingredient, known as an API, is tested by QA at the same time that it is frozen. The frozen approved API is shipped to Germany, where it is thawed and transferred to the filling area. ADI started its operations in 1984 and currently manufactures more than 115 products for diagnostic immunoassays, which are used to monitor the level of therapeutic drugs, as well as identify disease states such as hepatitis and cancer. These assays are run on Abbott benchtop diagnostic instruments, the high-volume Axim immunoassay analyzer, and the Architect integrated system for clinical chemistry and immunoassay tests. The manufacturing process for most of these assays involves scaling up concentrate into a bulk solution for the conjugates, antibodies, microparticles, calibrators, controls, and tracers that are run on Abbott diagnostic instruments. New Architect technologies, such as the Automatic Microparticle Processing System, known as AMPS, and the Magnetic Separator, have been incorporated as part of the manufacture of microparticle concentrates. The AMPS system is a paramagnetic microparticle coated with a protein that will serve as the capture agent for the analyte in the patient sample. Similar to AMPS, the magnetic separator is used for coating Architect microparticles. A magnet is used to capture the microparticles on the sides of the container prior to performing the washes. The bulk solutions are contained in tanks with a capacity of up to 2,000 liters. Automated filling machinery dispenses the solution into product vials. The kit pack area also uses automation to facilitate production. ADI has just over 472,000 square feet of space for laboratories, manufacturing, warehousing, and administrative services. And thanks to the efforts of more than 600 employees, ADI manufactures about 100 million reagent tests each year. Although all of Abbott's facilities in Puerto Rico operate as separate full-scale manufacturing plants, Barcelonetta's operation engineering provides additional utilities in a centralized location. The Barceloneta complex is home to the largest cogeneration facility in Puerto Rico. It generates 20,000 kilowatts of electric power per hour and produces steam and chilled water as byproducts. Abbott has also shown its commitment to the environment with a wastewater treatment plant. The recycled wastewater is used in the plant's cooling towers and air scrubbing equipment. Throughout the Barceloneta facility, the Utilities and Engineering Department ensures that all plant operations are running smoothly. Other important administrative functions within Abbott's Puerto Rico facilities are located in 3 main areas: quality assurance, supply chain, and environmental health and safety. In addition to the main manufacturing areas of Barceloneta and Jayuya, there are 2 other Abbott locations on the island. The Montelledra Office Center, located just south of San Juan, is where the commercial side of the business operates and serves as headquarters for Abbott Diabetes Care, Abbott Nutritional International, and Abbott Vascular. Abbott Diagnostics, located on the 3rd floor of the same building, operates with its own customer service, technical services, and finance departments, although it also receives support from the host division, Abbott International. Other departments that provide support to these businesses include clinical studies and medical affairs, customer service, IT systems, finance, ethics, compliance, and quality assurance, which together pursue business excellence. Abbott and its joint venture TAP Pharmaceuticals promote, sell, and distribute the pharmaceutical products across the island. Abbott Carib distributes our products throughout the Caribbean region. And just west of San Juan is the city of Guaynabo, where Abbott Puerto Rico has its distribution center. As Abbott realigns itself for a promising new future, its facilities in Puerto Rico will continue to take on new challenges, with a commitment to the highest quality and a promise for life. With state-of-the-art technology and a talented, dedicated workforce, there's never been a better time to see what's new under the sun.